Hi guys, welcome back to the PieCast, and I'll bring you a bit of a workshop tour today, but with a main focus on some of our engine stuff. So at the moment we have two Porsche 912s in various bits at the moment. Both the cars are on the ramp. The engine you see here is just being stripped by Sam at the moment. He's just in the strip down stages. He's just put the crank halves onto the engine stand, the barrels and the heads and everything there. He's in the process of stripping it, and then the next phase is cleaning it and then measurement. And then once we've done that, we'll assess where the damage and where the wear is and what needs to be done to put it back to standard. This is a standard rebuild, no upgrades, just a stock rebuild. The other 912, which is the black one you can see below us, that's been stripped. Again, a stock rebuild. The machining parts, the cylinder heads, the crank's been polished. Just about to come back from the machine shop, and Sam will be rebuilding that sometime shortly. At the moment though, Sam's putting this 964 engine in. Follow me. So Sam's busy away working on this 964 engine at the moment that he's just finished. This actually came in for a rebuild just for oil leaks. No mechanical fault, just had lots of oil leaks. But on stripping it, because it was leaking out the crank halves, unfortunately we found that it had different head studs in it. So it gave us concern that it had been rebuilt on a budget in the past. So we stripped it right down, assessed it all, and it was very lucky we did, because some of the crank shells were very badly worn, and the shells that run the oil pump drive and everything were actually about to fail. There were some other issues with a poor rebuild in the past. But that's now all been done and all rectified and going back in, and hopefully be running in the next hour or so. And just to finish it off on something a little bit interesting while we're on the theme of engines, we've got this 986 Boxster. It's just about to have the new rear exhaust and a set of cats. Just so you know, these are our PPT cats. The reason we manufacture these for 986s, Porsche items are very expensive, and the aftermarket solutions elsewhere really don't stack up very well. So these are our cats, 100% stainless, will fit the 986 range, are in stock at the present. So if you want some, give us a call, or for more information, check out the website. Thanks very much.